my jeans are torn. Sweat coming through my shirt. Keep pushing even though it hurts. And everyone around me drops. I'm never gonna ever stop. I won't waste another minute more. I won't. I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man on a mission.
Truck demonstrator destroyed your life.
I'm a man on a mission.
Hoy, magsiayos na kayo. Andiyan na si Sir.
Class, isn't this your first subject in the morning? Kaaga-aga, lugas na yung mga mukha nyo. Get one whole sheet of paper.
At first, everything seemed normal. Kulitan, bardagulan, and pagpapainit ng ulo ng mga teachers namin. When a thought suddenly came across our minds. Will this sanctuary last forever? Or something unpredictable would cruise over?
Diyos ko anak, tignan mo naman itong grades mo. Wala ka na bang ibang magandang magawa? Yan ba talaga yung best mo? Isaksak mo naman sa kukote mo yung mga pinagsasabi sa'yo ng teacher mo. Tignan mo nga to. O tsaka ito.
So mean. Teacher pa ba to?
Tanggal na yan sa trabaho.
Sir, excuse me po, but you have to see this.
Sir, dapat magsalita ka. Di dapat natin sila hayaang sirain yung pagkatao mo nang ganun-ganun lang.
Ano pong may tutulong namin, sir?
Kung haharap ako sa mga tao, mga anak, lalala lang ang sitwasyon at hindi nyo na kailangan tumulong, baka madamay pa kayo.
Sir Morgan is right naman. Siguro naiintindihan naman natin yung mga mindset ng social media, di ba?
Pero hindi ito deserve ni Sir.
Sir, promise po magsisipag na po ako mag-aral, sir.
A video can twist the truth with ease, showing just a moment designed to deceive. In a flash, a clip can mislead the eye, shaping a story that's far from the sky.
Napakahusay, Ivy. Tulad ng dati, ikaw pa rin ang pinakamataas sa pagsusulit.
Hindi pa siya pare, matalino.
Oo nga. Kasi pag niya pero, ewan ko lang.
Ivy, ikaw na naman ang pinakamataas, napakahusay.
Kung mas maganda lang siya, baka mas popular siya ngayon.
Ang pangit mo, nagpapakita ka pa?
Ayusin mo naman sarili mo, nakakahiya ka.
The whispers follow her everywhere. Online, in the halls, she feels invisible and worthy. Each day, shame deepens. Never enough. Always too much.
Gusto ko na lang maging maganda.
Si Ivy ba yan?
Ang laki ng pinagbago niya. Ang ganda.
Dati hindi ko siya napapansin, pero ngayon,
Ivy, hindi mo nasagutan ng exam.
dati ang talino ni Ivy, pero ngayon parang wala na.
Oo, gumanda nga siya. Pero parang nawala naman ang utak niya.
Akala ko siya magiging valedictorian. Pero ngayon, wala na siyang laban.
Okay ka lang? Para kang namumutla. May sakit ka ba?
Okay lang ako. Raniel, nasan ka?
Waiting shade, bakit?
Pwede ba kitang makausap?
Sige, punta ka na lang dito.
Raniel, may nangyari kasi. Raniel, may problema kasi ako.
Ano yun?
Walang hiya ka?
Ano pa talaga ang sukatan ng pagiging sapat?
Laban lang, stay strong everyone.
Idol ka talaga, Rainiel. Sobrang inspiring.
Wish ko sana maging positive din ako katulad mo.
We hide behind a hopeful face, pretending everything's in place. Smiles we fake, flaws we hide, hoping the truth won't slip outside. Totoo bang si Raniel to? Akala ko mabait
Grabe,
siya.
hindi ko akalain na ganyan siya. Fake pala ang plastic mo pala bro, dapat pala in-unfollow kita.
Ivy, hindi ako yon. May nagpapanggap sa akin.
Pero Raniel, sobrang kapani-paniwala. Kaparehong kapareho ng style mo. Sorry pero di kita pagkakatiwalaan.
Hindi ako yon.
Ang kapal pala ng mukha ni Raniel. Puro motivational quotes. Toxic naman pala.
Akala ko mabait siya, binabaksag niya pala tayo sa social media.
Dapat ipa-cancel na yan.
Ivy, maniwala ka. Hindi ako yon.
Paano mo ipapaliwanag yun, Raniel? Lahat ng post parang ikaw talaga. Sorry, hindi ko alam kung anong paniniwalaan ko.
A mask, a lie, and everything fell apart. Someone had stolen his identity online, wrecking his relationships and shattering his image. What was once his was now lost, all because of a mask he never wore.
Oy, RJ, may joke ka ba dyan?
Oo nga, ang tahimik mo ngayon. Parang hindi ikaw.
Nice boss, ganda ng view mula rito. hanggang kailan ka magtatago.
Nangyari ba kay RJ? Hindi na siya katulad ng dati.
Baka pagod lang. Baka naman may bumibiktima na naman.
Sino kaya yung bully? Tsaka, nicotine gum ba yung tinapon mo kanina? Naninigarilyo ka ba?
Grabe magbintang. Hindi pwedeng gum lang yun, o kaya may tinapon lang ako. Diyos ko naman, hindi mo pa naman nakita kung ano, nicotine gum agad. Life is running low, and life is providing short. Surround yourself with people that has a shoulder to lean on, not vampires who has fangs for every detail of your horizon.
Wow, I have to do 50 push-ups and burpees pa. Like another confession about how handsome I am. What the? How did this hypocrite find my video? This was 5 years ago. Who are you and what do you need?
Just simply do me a favor. A path of cigarette, 10k, crush, and you'll break the pieces when you speak up. Deal?
Fine deal, just delete that freaking video. I'll give it to you soon. Hey, here it is.
You good for a month.
Zane, ang putla mo ata. Nakakita ka ba ng multo?
Pagod lang, galing pa ako sa gym eh.
Also, you smell like cigarettes?
OMG Zane, are you okay? You looks like you haven't slept for a decade.
No, don't freaking touch me.
Gosh, what the heck did you do?
Pare, okay ka lang ba? Mukhang naglasasing ka ata. You know, we're always here for you naman.
Of course, I'm fine.
Anya ka sa pinakapogi naming atleta. Tamlay, daming chick sa paligid oh.
Siyempre, okay lang ako. O ano, tara basketball?
How come an electronic device became more powerful than our voices, our dignities, our future, and our own emotional being? Cyberbullying doesn't just shatter you to pieces. It can suffocate your own truth, our own voices.
Sir, you will seriously leave na ba talaga?
Kailangan ko umalis para sa reputasyon ng school. Pero bago ko umalis, may gusto muna akong itanong sa inyo. I want you all to close your eyes, promise to never open it once. I say so, and raise your hand if ever you were a victim or was a victim of cyberbullying. You can now open your eyes mga anak. It's my time to say goodbye na, and I promise I will do the very best I could do to help you all. But because I'll be gone for a very long time, gusto ko sana I will have the courage to speak up yourself and to also help yung mga taong nasa paligid nyo, especially your classmates.
Cyberbullying steals our voice, turning confidence to noise. Harsh words make us hide our light, leaving us afraid to fight.
Bakit may isa wala man lang naniwala sa akin dahil lang ba sa account na yun? Buong buhay ko gumuho. Ayoko na sa mundong ito.
Si Rainiel, wala na siya.
Run too much? Tigilan mo nga yung pagbibiro mo. It doesn't suit you.
Dahil lang sa cyberbullying, may nawalan na namang buhay. And Ruby, you're the one who's interested about cyberbullying, di ba?
I'll make another article to keep other people alarmed and aware na lang.
Sir Rainiel? Paano?
Drea, huwag ka namang biro ng ganyan ha.
May paraan para malaman natin kung sino talagang nasa likod na to. Kung gusto niyong malaman ng totoo, tutulungan ko kayo gawin ito. Nakuha ko na ang address.
Hindi, imposible.
Bahay ni na RJ?
RJ, walang hiya ka. Ikaw lang pala may pakana ng lahat.
Dahil sa'yo, sumuko na si Reynald. Di ka ba nakukonsensya?
Hindi ako may pakana ng lahat. Isa rin akong biktima.
Seriously, RJ? It's obvious na. Itatanggi mo pa? Rinak na ni Drea yung and it shows your house.
Umaming ka na. Ano pa ba kasing gusto mong ipalabas na may ibang nakatira sa bahay niyo?
My sister. It's my sister.
May kapatid ka?
Yes, stepsister. Ruby was my stepsister.
So, that means...
So, it was your fault all along?
As we explore the concept of online cruelty, focusing on the cyberbully who hides behind a screen, it suggests that behind their actions lies a story of pain, hurt, and a search for justice, offering a better understanding.
Do you even know how much damage you have caused, ha? You're heartless monster.
Bakit mo ba pinakabot sa ganito?
Tahan na, Jake. Hindi ka pa nakakonsensya. You were literally the reason why Rainier died.
Mana, Drea, Jake, dun muna kayo sa labas. Alam ko mabigat yung nararamdaman niyo. Pero mas maganda kung lulutasin natin to nung hindi kasama ang emosyon.
Red, how could you? Why? How did you ever turn like this? Didn't you ever feel any empathy? Tao ka pa ba?
It's so easy. I mean, it caused so much pain. Pain has even greater than what I've gone through. You could never feel how much it stings. Knowing that no one would always be on your side, that you would always be the villain of the story. But how much wake up every single day. How every drop of water could clean your entire body. What the pain they caused, and all the things they said, they would always pain. You guys were so no one ever asked if I'm okay. No one ever encouraged me to speak up for myself. No one ever speak up. Step on me like I'm nothing. Use me, dump me, curse me, hate me. I'm still standing and looking for myself. Altered articles about cyberbullying, but did anyone ever care? No! Because they would never understand how it feels when they didn't experience it themselves. Certain teachers tell us I murdered person.
She was once a victim, hurt by every word online, but with each insult, she grew closer to something darker. A desire to turn the tables. In her suffering, the lines between the right and wrong began to blur.
Ruby, pwedeng hawakan mo muna mga class funds natin? Sige. Wala ba siyang hiya?
Feeling entitled. Kala mo naman kung sino.
Oh my gosh, look at her. Spoiled na nga. Cheater pa? Ang magnanakaw na treasure.
Bad image sa school. Drop out na yan.
We have finally decided to kick you out of this school, Mrs. Betail. Your actions were intolerable.
Sir, you know I didn't do it, please. I need to finish this time, please. One more chance po, please. I never did it. Those bastards framed me up.
Watch your language, Mrs. Butel. Get out of my office.
Just please listen to me, sir.
Now!
Oh, look what you've done. You better believe that I'll be showing up. Oh, look what you've started now. There's nowhere to turn, there's nowhere left to hide. And my blood runs cold as you lose control. Now look what you've done. What have you done? You're on to me, I'm on to you. You ain't never getting by me. Bring it on, 'cause I feel like fighting. You ain't never gonna break me. Bring it on, 'cause I feel like I've been secretly out to try this. Bring it on, 'cause I feel like sirens seeking you out in silence. Bring it on, 'cause I feel like you're on to me, I'm on to you.
Before you speak or type, ask yourself, is this the world we want? A world of hurt and revenge, or one of compassion and kindness? The power to heal and break the cycle is in our hands, and starts with us.